Cooking with Chef Ardin. Today we're cooking a seafood broil. We have lobster, crab, and shrimp. And we're cooking our seafood broil with some corn. Cooking with Chef Ardin, we're gonna have asparagus, stuffed peppers, and this is the season for the shrimp, crab, and lobster meat. It's gonna go down today, so you guys stay tuned. The crab meat and the lobster tail with the shrimp, we're boiling it. We just added flavor and season to the pot. Right now, placing all our vegetables in our tray that we're gonna use for the broil. Having a seafood broil. Yeah, let's spread it out in your pan. Now, as you notice, we're starting to add our shrimp and taking out all our seafood. Yeah, we're starting to apply all the seafood in the trays now. Take out all your shrimp, the crab meat, the lobster meat. Yeah, let's get everything out. Remember earlier we had put some garlic in there. There goes our garlic. Everything is going back into the broil. We're just gonna put this in our oven and bake it. Bake it for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, our corn is being cooked. So we got our corn cooking over there. And then we're gonna do baked potato. We're also gonna do, get my skeleton in there. We're gonna pre-warm our oven 350. Now we're gonna get ready to put the seafood into the oven and start the baking process. That looks delicious. You cooking with Chef Ardin. I just seasoned the potatoes that we're gonna bake. We're gonna put the potatoes here on the tray with the stuffed peppers. Okay, we just seasoned the potatoes and we put it on our tray with our stuffed peppers. We have red and yellow stuffed peppers with our seasoned potato. It's going in the oven and we're gonna bake. We're gonna start baking. Let it begin. And the potatoes are in the oven and they're baking. Thanks for watching Cooking with Chef Ardin. Don't forget, hit the notification button, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching.